Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult. Find Delta Faucet's model number. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Delta Faucet is one of the most popular brands of faucets in the market. They offer a wide range of faucets for different purposes, including kitchen, bathroom, and laundry. If you need to replace or repair your Delta faucet, you will need to know its model number. In this article, we will show you how to find Delta Faucet's model number with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Check the faucet's packaging. The first step in finding Delta Faucet's model number is to check the faucet's packaging. Most Delta Faucet products come with a label that includes the model number. You can usually find the label on the back of the packaging or on the product itself. If you cannot find the label, you can try looking for the serial number instead. The serial number is usually located on the bottom of the faucet or on the inside of the handle. Step 2. Check the faucet's documentation. If you cannot find the model number on the packaging or the serial number, you can try checking the faucet's documentation. Delta Faucet provides documentation for most of its products, including installation instructions, parts lists, and warranty information. You can find the documentation on Delta Faucet's website or by contacting their customer service department. Step 3. Check the faucet's installation manual. If you still cannot find the model number or the serial number, you can try checking the faucet's installation manual. The installation manual usually includes information about the faucet's parts and how to identify them. You can find the installation manual on Delta Faucet's website or by contacting their customer service department. Step 4. Check the faucet's warranty information. If you still cannot find the model number or the serial number, you can try checking the faucet's warranty information. Delta Faucet offers a warranty on most of its products, which covers defects in materials and workmanship. You can find the warranty information on Delta Faucet's website or by contacting their customer service department. Step 5. Contact Delta Faucet's customer service. If you still cannot find the model number or the serial number, you can try contacting Delta Faucet's customer service department. They will be able to help you identify the faucet and provide you with the model number. You can contact Delta Faucet's customer service department by phone, email, or live chat. Finding Delta Faucet's model number is important if you need to replace or repair your faucet. With just a few simple steps, you can easily identify your faucet and find the model number. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Delta Faucet's customer service department for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a Find Delta Faucet's model number. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.